Hey guys, welcome back. So I have a series of projects, beginners friendly projects coming up in this month of April. Yes, I've decided to use the rest of April and some part of May to bring you guys some beginners friendly projects. I feel like when you're starting out, one of the things you should do, of course, will be like clothing alterations, upcycled clothing, which is very, very important. And then there's this whole little project that even people from outside will actually think that you are a professional. Yes, so I have those projects already, working on them, and this is the first one. For today, we are doing DIY gathered top, tie top, and you see what I mean about being easy. So stay tuned. You just might see those outfits, top bags that are on your Pinterest boards because I've gone through my Pinterest and I've picked the ones that I feel that anybody can recreate. And please, while we're on this, I would really like to see your own recreation. Yes, get those materials ready. Just get those materials ready because we are setting up our summer outfits, summer tops, and so much more. So please hit the subscribe button if you're new here. Give this video a thumbs up, share to your friends and loved ones. I really, 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 really appreciate it. Thanks so much. Let's go to the tutorial now in proper. So for this tutorial, you're just going to use a yard of fabric, and this will be for the rest of the sewing project we're going to be making. Nothing more than a yard of fabric. So this is a rectangular shape, and then I cut out the strap. So the length of the strap depends on you. I use 4 inch for the width, and then this one is what is going to run inside the blouse where we are going to put in the elastic. Already press both sides. You see it like this. This will make it easier to stop stitch when it's time to attach this to the body. So this is the fabric I'm using. I'm just going to hem the edges of the top part and the down part. So this is it. This is ready. For the width of this, I think everything goes to be around 40 something. They're about 46. It all depends on how much ruffle you want. So I'm just marking out where I want to put that strap, where the elastic band is going to be. So I just use 3 inches from the top and then line it down with a ruler, and then I'm just going to place this like this and pin it down, then stop stitch the top and the down side of this. So you leave at least 1 inch from both ends, so that's where the joining is going to be at. So now this is ready. We're just going to close this shape down at least half an inch and then lock the top stitch, and this is ready. So I'm going to put in the elastic band. So the elastic band should be at least 4 inch from round where this is going to sit on your chest, so that it gathers tight, or it depends on you. So I'm just going to distribute the ruffle throughout. So this is it, it's ready. So you see, it's as easy as I said it will be. So now I'm working on the strap. I think you can actually wear it like that, but this strap gives it a bit more flair. So I reduce the strap a bit simply because I don't want the strap to be too much, but I feel at the end of the day it all depends on you how much of a strap you want yours to be. So I'm just going to stop stitch both sides after the turning, and then because this it is, I'm just going to fix it now. You find the middle point, and then from that middle point you measure 4 inch or 5 inch from the middle point. So it depends on how wide you want the strap to sit on your shoulder. So I made my 5 inch. The standard is 4 inch or 3.5 inch, so it depends on you. So most of these things also depend your style. So this is it, this is ready. But I later decided that I wanted the topper to be thicker, that is the leftover. So I decided to turn it in just like this to give this top ruffle a bit more like volume. So that's what I did. So this also personal, I just wanted mine to be like this, but standardly that previous one is okay, but I want mine to look fuller at the top. So I removed the strap, of course, and put it back, and then this is the final result. So this is like a perfect breezy summer top. So go make yours. Let me see. Bye for now, till my next video.